Imagine having a massive, immersive 3-screen workstation that deploys instantly right on your desk, giving you the ultimate creative command center in seconds. This is the QQH 15.6 inch laptop screen extender, and today we're taking a standard cramped laptop and evolving it into a massive triple monitor powerhouse using this folding dual screen attachment entirely right here in the studio. Now, to prove that this is the ultimate home office upgrade, we are going to run the full triple desktop test. First, the one cable deployment. I mean, is it really that easy? Second, the micro desk challenge. We want to maximize all of our space. And third, the 3 times output protocol. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Anton, a power engineer, industrial mechanic, and a Red Seal electrician. We cover all kinds of products and topics in an approachable way for the average everyday person. I'm glad you found us. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. If you're a remote worker, a day trader, or a student who thrives on maximum information and having all of your research, tools, and chats visible simultaneously, then this workflow could be your exact solution. Now, as somebody who's used to running at least a dual screen and then sometimes 3 screens, I'm really excited to check this thing out. So let's crack into phase 1. As someone who absolutely despises cable clutter on my desk, I need to know if this is a genuinely streamlined plug and play experience. Now, you guys just saw everything that came in the box. It includes the main unit here. This is a pretty premium feeling unit. The monitor, I haven't turned it on, but the case feels like high quality aluminum. There's some touch buttons on there. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's going to be very hard to show you guys this, but the USB ports are right here inside this case part here. We've got power and USB. Now, hopefully, this is all powered off of my laptop. I don't want to have multiple cables. It does come with a power brick just in case you can't get enough power to this thing, but I think my laptop has enough power to drive the display. We're going to find out when it's time to hook it up. Now, the real magic of this relies on your laptop's ports. If you have a full-featured USB-C port that supports DisplayPort Alt mode, then both high-definition video and power is going to come from your laptop to the device through that single cable. We're going to test that shortly. It is brilliantly engineered, and it should solve a lot of problems for me, even if this is on a slightly larger side. As near as I can tell, there's a kickstand on here, so you can, I'm sorry, my studio desk is just not big enough, but there's a kickstand on here that you can pull out so that it can balance itself on the desk like that. And then you can swing these out. So really what should happen here is I can go like this, and I've got an instant privacy mode here because I've got my little secret space in here that you guys can't see anything. This particular one doesn't seem like it attaches to my laptop screen. So if I take my laptop and I put this down here, then this just basically goes behind my laptop like that. Now it can tip up, and then my laptop screen can tip up so that I've got these screens facing me. So I guess next all I got to do is plug in one of these cords and see if all of the screens turn on. Now, my laptop does support Alt screen mode. In theory, I just go like that, and this plugs in over here. And there we go. Now you guys want to see this thing turning on here. So I'm going to give you a full boot up screen here so you can see both monitors turning on. My computer just spotted that something happened. Now it's blinking to say, okay, something's up. And then just like that, I have a full triple screen setup here. Now if I go to display settings, you're going to see my display settings here. It says 1, 2, and 3. So if I identify, you can see we've got 1 there, 2 there, and then 3 over there. And these are our screens. If we have a look here, we can see our screen resolution, 1920 by 1080, as well as 1280 by 720. And we're at 150%. Now my main monitor is a lot higher than that, but we'll just check this one too. And I mean, they're not gonna be a big gaming monitor, 60 hertz refresh rate on those. They do report as a Z80A, L and R. Obviously, L is left and R is right, okay? So that is kind of everything that you see. Now they are adjustable here a little bit, but they're not attached to the screen in any way. I could take my laptop, fold it down, and then I've still got two screens plus my laptop sitting here. So this is what it is. So it's something that you're gonna wanna pack up and take with you separately, but that is pretty cool. Now, something else that you guys might find interesting, and I'm gonna just fumble around here, because of how this thing works, we can do a couple different modes here. So this is what I would call presentation mode. So I can have my laptop over here, and then I've got a screen there, and I've got a screen there, and I can set this out on the middle of a table, and then everybody can see what I'm looking at, and then I can have this sitting here, and then just like that, I've got, you know, you wouldn't duplicate your display at that point. You would just go, so you go something like that, and then whatever's on your laptop screen is also going to be on this screen. So there's lots of different options for this thing. I'm just going to put this back up over here now. Now from the boot up all the way to using it, the screens, they're 1080p panels, and they are powered entirely from the laptop. You saw we didn't need to use any extra power cord, so I can take this with me, and it will drain your laptop power a little bit faster. So you might want to have your laptop charged in, have some sort of a power bank or something to keep your laptop charged up. But you know, powering two displays, two extra displays, is going to obviously hit some power somewhere because it needs a lot. But surprisingly, it does power it entirely off of my USB-C port. Now it does have an extra USB-C cord for powering it if you need to. So everything you need is in the kit. The cool thing is there's no drivers to install. It just works right out of the box. So as long as it supports alt display mode, then you're off to the races. In under 60 seconds, you have full deployment with virtually no cable mess. This is a massive win for anyone who runs a home office or needs extra screens wherever they may be. Now, here is a massive workflow time saver. If you hit the Windows key and shift and left or right to the arrow, it will instantly teleport your active window between the three screens without ever touching your mouse. As somebody who uses multiple screens throughout the day, that trick comes in extra handy. So we have the screens active, but what if you don't have a giant executive desk? Well, welcome to phase 2, the micro desk challenge. So we set up the absolute smallest, most cramped table we could find in the studio. I mean, you guys saw how small and cramped this was. And this performed quite flawlessly. It does create a little bit of like blockage, but even in a tiny work surface, the footprint works. The base unit has built-in adjustable rear kickstand. So this is crucial because it transfers the weight of the extra screens directly to the desk, and it's not hanging off of the back of the monitor, completely protecting your laptop's delicate hinge from wearing out. Especially since this one can go into full tablet mode, the hinge isn't gonna be strong enough to go, and it won't ever stop. It would just fall over. So that kickstand is really clutch. These IPS panels hit 300 nits of brightness. Now you guys saw they were not as bright as my laptop, but they're pretty darn close. They have a good anti-glare matte coating, and the text is perfectly crisp, even under my harsh studio lighting. Now to solve that massive battery drain from earlier. So running 3 screens will drop my laptop's estimated battery life from 7 hours to barely 2. So the solution? Pass-through charging. The monitor has a dedicated power port. It does come with that plug, which has a 65 watt power bank. So you can plug that directly into the wall, use the extra cable, and then the extra monitors are actually powering the screens while simultaneously sending a charge backwards to your laptop. So you still only need to have one charger plugged into the wall. It'll send a trickle charge to your laptop and keep the screens powered up. So this setup completely maximizes a tiny physical space. Now, something that might be pretty cool to do with this is to set this up on your gaming laptop with 3 screens in a racing sim. If you sit close enough, you could just simulate a AAA racing simulator, which would run across all 3 monitors. You almost certainly would have to have it plugged in, but in theory it would do it. 1080p on these things at 60 Hertz, it's totally playable. The micro desk is officially conquered. Now let's talk about the 3 times output protocol. For 3 days, this was my exclusive workstation. We're able to edit the video timeline on the left, have my script running in the center, and all of my asset folders on the right screen. Having 3 separate screens is a total game changer. If you've used 3 separate screens, you know, and this is basically just giving you that. Having these hinges like this allows you to really manipulate this and set it up exactly in a way that works good for you, with it totally dialed in to suit your needs perfectly. Now, in totally unrelated news, did you know that 9 out of 10 facts on the internet are totally made up? I don't know why I told you guys that, but according to a John Petty research study, adding additional monitors can increase overall productivity by up to 42%. Having a multiple screen setup isn't just a luxury, it's a proven mathematical advantage. The question you're wondering, does this deliver the ultimate 3-screen promise? Absolutely. If you feel suffocated by a single 13-inch screen, then this dual screen attachment unlocks true digital freedom. Your elite panoramic workstation is ready whenever you are. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I have seen other ones, and I've even reviewed other like single additional monitors that add on, and I was super excited to test this out, and I can say it has not disappointed. This is a very cool setup, and it's extremely mobile. Like, you can take this with you wherever you need to go. It seems like it's quite durable. So let me know what you guys think. Have you seen something like this? Have you tried different ones? I have seen other ones that really seem quite flimsy and cheap, so this one is kind of top tier, top on the ends of all the monitors. Plus, with all those cables, I mean, it seems like a no-brainer to me. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.